So over here you can see that I got a bunch of drawings in my drawing file, and this is a file that I have been working with for a couple of days. And if you want to revert back to the previous version of the file, or if you want to restore it, then you can use something called the version history option. So over here, to access the version history, you can go around onto the top where you can see last edit was a second ago right here, or over here you will be able to see other text as well, but it'll be grayed out. So over here, once I hover around on the text, you can see open version history is an option. So once you click on it, what happens is that version history opens up and you can see different versions of the file right here according to the changes that you made. For example, yesterday, if I were to click on this, you can see the yesterday's version of the file. Then similarly, you can click on the dates and see through the changes that you actually made over different time. As you can see right here, you can go around and see different timings of the version history right here, as you can see. What you can also do is you can name up the version history. For example, you can say something like latest right here. You can say something like around over here. This is, let's say, for example right here. And you can also filter out the version history according to the name only as well. So once you turn this on, only the name version history actually pops up right here. So what you can also do is you can select out the version history that you want and restore out the version over here as well. So if you restore out the version, then it'll restore to that particular state of the file in the original file itself. But if you want to create a copy, you can even go to more action and you can remove name, rename this. You can make a copy of this, restore this version, or I'm just going to go around over here and make a copy so that a new copy of the file is made. So now what happens is that the version history copy has been made just like this. So if I were to go around on and say back, then this is what you have, as you can see. So you got the main file over here and you got a copy of the version history just like this. And that is how you can work around with version history inside of Google Drawings. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.